Hi, I want to say a big thank you to you for signing up for this course. It's super awesome. I'm super grateful that you did. This is a course that will show you how to build landing pages in record time. You don't have to code, you don't have to have any sort of experience for you to use this course to start building your landing pages. Together, we're going to be working on the prop tech property website together. We're going to be working on the nav section, the hero section. We're going to be working also on the feature section and also on the footer section. Together, we'll build this application in very short time. And not just that, we'll be able to collect information from our user and launch our website on the internet for other persons to see. This course is for startup founders, for entrepreneurs, for freelancers, and for anyone who wants to get their business on the internet without paying high development costs or without spending so much time coding. All you need to do to get started is your browser and the internet. So if you have a browser and you have the internet, then you're free to get started in this course. To get access to the Unicom platform, click on the link in the description and then you'll be able to get started with building your own landing page using the Unicom platform. Thank you. I am so excited that you're going to be learning. I am so excited about our journey together. Thank you so much for signing up once again. I can't wait to see what you're going to build. I can't wait to welcome you to class. Thank you so much.
Let me give you a brief introduction of the Unicom platform. The Unipolcom Platform is a landing page builder that you can use to build landing pages for your company. You can use it to build landing page for your business, for your startup, for your courses, for anything that you're doing. As long as it requires you to put stuff on the internet, of course, you can always use it to do so. Here, if you scroll down, you could see it's a drag and drop mostly. It's a drag and drop. And one amazing thing that you can do with Unicorn is that you can integrate forms, you can create blogs, you can add payment. And also, it also comes with free SSL certificate and CDN. What that means is that your website is going to be running faster than you could imagine. There is a template gallery that you can choose from. You can easily integrate it with lots of other tools. Tools like Zapier, Google Drive, Google Docs, lots of other tools. If you're not satisfied with what you're getting from Unicorn, you can export the HTML to another platform and fix it yourself, or you can simply add some custom code. If you scroll down to the website, when you go to unicornplatform.com, you would see some of the things that you can build with Unicorn Platform. And also, you can scroll up to see a showcase of some of the other startups that have used Unicom platform to build their landing pages. And also, you can check out the pricing. This is something that interests me a lot. The pricing is super cool because you can start from free, $0, and you can go to hosting your landing page online for as low as $8 a month. You can put your blog post, you can publish so many pages, as many pages as you want. You can have your own custom domain for as low as $8 a month. So guys, I want you to go ahead and try, open unicornplatform.com and see all, and just read through as we go in this lesson. And if you want to sign up, there's a link at the bottom of this course. I'm going to get a couple of cents when you sign up and when you make a purchase, but just go ahead and click it and you'll be able to use that link to sign up at probably a fairly reduced price. Thank you. I'll see you in the next lesson where I'll show you what we're going to be building with Unicorn. As we go through the course, we're going to be building a platform like this. This is a landing page for a property management application. So we built this with Unicorn for a particular company and it was super easy. Besides, if you're going to be learning this course and using this skill to build stuff for other people, then it's an awesome thing that you're doing. So you can see we have the call to action here is for people to join a waiting list. And if you scroll down, you keep scrolling down, you can see everything you need for sustainable growth is right here. So you can ask people to join a waiting list right here and you can still show them a whole lot of features. And at the end of the day, you can add your own website branding and tell people how they can contact you. This company have decided to ask people to contact them via Twitter and also via email address. And here you have some form of company branding right here, and you have another Twitter logo. When they click on it, they go to Twitter. You can do a whole lot more. You can add a whole lot more features to your page if you want to. It depends on how you want to present it to other people. So this is what we're going to be building. And one thing I love about Unicorn is that it is mobile friendly. So I'm going to turn this to a mobile version. And you can see how beautiful it is. You can see we can scroll down, we can scroll down. We do not have to fix anything when it comes to mobility. And also, we can change the type of application, the type of phone that we're using, and it's still going to be mobile friendly. It's friendly on desktop, mobile, and any other platform you can think of. And also, we've written the copy of the website we're creating. So we're just creating this website, and we've written the copy already. Though we're going to be making a few twists here and there, but this is the copy that we are going to be using. You too, you can create your own copy before you start developing with Unicorn, so it'll be quick and fast, and you can get it over with as fast as possible. Thank you very much. I'll see you in the next lesson where we'll get started signing up with Unicorn and start building our landing page. Now that you understand what we're going to be building, you have to go ahead and sign up. You go ahead and sign up right there by clicking on create landing page, or you can go ahead and check the pricing. If you want to start paying immediately, which is right here, you can go ahead and say, hey, I want to start for free. You can go ahead and put your credit card in it and start hosting your landing page immediately. But you can click here to start for free without paying a single dime. And once you're comfortable with what you're building, then you can host it on the internet. So let's go ahead, click on the create landing page. It will take you to the Unicorn app, and here you can put your email and your password to sign in. Or if you don't have an account, which I suppose you don't, you can put your name, email, put your password, and you'll be able to, sign up seamlessly. So I have an account already. I'm just going to sign in. I'm going to sign in. So when you sign in, this nice blue button is where you come through. Is where you come to. Just click on the link right here that says create a new website. Create a new website, and you will see a lot of template that you can begin to use. There are lots of templates here that you can begin to use. Choose any of this template if it does suit you, and all you have to do is to take off the test and replace it, and you'll see you're going to be awesome right there. Yeah, that's the way you're going to do it. But for this course, we're going to be clicking on create a landing page, the blank landing page. That's what we're going to be creating for this course. So you click on create, and here, so we click on create right there, and here it's saying done. So this is our website, which is called second-hand advice, but you can check this as any time as you want. So you click on it to edit the website and say, hey, we want to start with the home page. And website has a whole lot of pages. So as many times as you want to create a new page, you come around and put it here. But if you want to create a blog post, you click here and you say create a blog post. But we're not going to do that now. So let's just go ahead and say edit page. So we want to edit the home page. Click on edit page. That's it. So this is where the way it's going to start. We just have to keep on adding components, and adding components as we go in the course. So that's the way you would get started with Unicorn. Go ahead and try it, get started, and meet me in the next course where we're going to be talking about components. Thank you. Welcome back. So remember, we're going to be building something that looks similar to this, but we can try out more components, as many components as we want. And we have the test that we're going to need right here. So let's go ahead. First thing first, you can click on this to set up your page, yeah? You can click right there to set up your page. The title of your page, yeah, it's called Instant Rock, but you can change it to whatever you want to change it to. But there's so many things that you cannot do if you're not subscribed. There's so many things you cannot do if you're not subscribed. For example, publishing your page to a new domain, you cannot do it if you're not subscribed. But you can do other things like adding your favicon. You can do a lot of other things, changing your social media pages. You can do a lot of other things like adding a custom code like the Google Tag Manager, Facebook Pixel, lots of other things. You can change your color. You can change the font if you want to. And also you can see your color template. It is awesome. Your color template can change based on what you pick right here. So we can say, oh, this is going to be our color template right there. So it's here, right here, it tells you sources. Your color template has been changed successfully. you can change a whole lot of things. You can say, hey, I want my website to be green, and we can change it like so and make it green. So one thing that Unicorn does for you is that it just makes everything seamless for you, and you can easily choose your pages. You can easily focus on what really matters. And also here we can see the SEO. You can add a whole lot of things. Sitemaps for you to submit to search engine, Robert.txt5 for search engines. You can do a whole lot of things with the SEO. And also you have widget. Widget like cookie consent for if you are in the EU. If you are in the EU or you are in some countries who requires you to send cookie consent banner before you can collect stuff from your visitor, then you have to do that. And also, this is a new feature they just launched, language selector. Automatically, you can actually change your users can change the language they're seeing on the screen based on where they're located, and it's just really, really, really beautiful, and I do like it a lot. So those are some of the options you will find. Those are some of the options you will find. But the most important option for you would be the domain and the publish. So right here you can add. This is a subdomain, yeah. But right here you can upgrade. Once you upgrade, you'll be able to unlock your domain to work. Yeah. When I mean domain, I mean you'll be able to get it from right now. Your website is hosted at easternrock.unicornplatform.page. Yeah. But right there, when your domain is added and you're in a paid plan, you'll be able to host your website on things like maybe NoCode45.com or a place like Skillshare.com. So you'll be able to host your own website on your personal domain. So those are some of the settings you have right there. And if you're comfortable with it, you should, go back to the home page. You should go back to the page so you can get started with building your own website. So that's it. That's some set for that. That's just it for the setting. So once you're comfortable with it, we'll go ahead and add more components. So welcome back. Let's go ahead and add components. Click on the component, and we're going to add the head bar. First of all, this is what we're going to do. Just click on here where you have the head bar, the head bar. That's what we're going to do. Then we want to edit it. To edit the component, click on edit component. So you can see we have the test, which is on top. So we'll just go ahead right there and copy this. This is the test that's on top. Paste. Then we have the subtitle right there. Copy. Paste like so. Then you can scroll down and change the call to action. The call to action right there is join waitlist. That's the call to action. Call to action is join waitlist. So we're not taking it to a different page at all. We will just leave it that way. We'll leave it that way and say, hey, we don't want to take it to a different we don't want to take it to a different page, but we can change this a whole lot later. We'll change it to a form instead of a button. So the reason why we're doing this is because right here, this goes to a Google Sheet, a form somewhere else, but you can leave this in Unicorn and just leave it like so. So this will be enter your email. Instead of saying subscribe, we will just say join waitlist, not the subscribe, waitlist. So remember, we just switched from the button to the form, and this came up immediately. That's all you have to do. So you can connect integration. This form can be going to a Google spreadsheet. It could be going to an Airtable base. Anywhere you want it to go, it will go. So if you click on connect integration, you will see a lot of options. Connect to Mailchimp, connect with Zapier, send to other emails, send email, send to Google Sheet, and this can be done seamlessly if you want to. And here it says, hey, what other actions do you want to happen after submitting the page? The wise thing to do would be to redirect to a URL. That would be a wise thing to do. A URL that could say, hey, thank you for signing up. I'm grateful. The URL can be another page. And the easiest way to add URL to your Unicorn platform is just put a slash. Just put a slash. Yeah. Put a slash and put the name of the other page. It could be success. Just put a slash and put the name of the other page, and that's all you have to do. nothing else. So we're good. And now, once you're done with that, you go ahead and replace this image component. Click on edit right there, click right there, and just replace the image component with something else. Click, delete. Yeah, you have to delete it first. Yeah, delete, and click on choose file, choose local. And now you can replace it with any other image of your choice. It could be an image of a house, it could be an image of a building, any image of your choice, you can replace it with it. So I'm just gonna put a house right there like so. Yeah, but for you, you want to look for a good image that really represents what you do. And this, if since we're doing a landing page for an app, this is going to be an app, an app prototype or an app mockup, or whatever. So that's it. Next, we're going to be adding the features page when you join me in the next lesson. So every time you decide to add a new component, don't forget to hit the word save. Don't forget to hit the button save, so you don't lose what you're doing, and you can always resave it. So once we're good with that, we can then scroll down and see what we need to add. We need to add this, which is the feature section. So this is where it gets very interesting. Click on add a new component. Click on add a new component and just scroll down to where you have features. So this is where we have features right here. You can see this is the template we're using. Click on it and you can see similar features. You can see similar templates like so. All you have to do to remove this is to click on the edit component, and then you can go ahead and make all the changes that you want to make. Click right there, Ctrl C. So you can make all the changes that you want to make right there from this dashboard. So I'm going to go ahead and quickly rush through this for the sake of time. I'm going to go quickly, just run through this, and I'll see you in a few seconds. So welcome back. Now I have fixed everything. You can see we have everything you need to sustain your growth. You have all of it all set up perfectly well. Yeah. And then the part I didn't touch is this learn more button, because I really want to show you how to do it. So if I click on the edit component all over again, then we scroll down, and then we scroll down, and you can see we can add a button. We can edit the button if we want to. We have the learn more button, not right there, before the analytics. Let's go right there. Yeah, this is it. So we have the learn more button right there. So when you click on the learn more, you can tell the page. Remember I said if you want to choose a page, you put a slash, and then you can create another page called the learn more and just put it right there. That's the way you do it, and you can hit the save button, and that's all you have to do. So that's it. For the sake of this class, the next lesson we'll put pricing on our website, and you definitely see how it works. Thank you. I'll see you in the next lesson. So now that you've added a feature page, I promise I'm going to show you all the components. Apart from, dragging and dropping a couple of stuff into your page, you can actually add a pricing table. With your pricing table, you can change your website into something really, really powerful. I mean, you can change your website into something super powerful where you can add your pricing plans, and it then make a whole lot of sense. But we're not going to be doing that right here. We're going to just add a session. So let's just scroll down and add a session, which is a contact section, and we will add this like so. Yeah, this is what we have similar. This is what we have here, and it's similar. So go back right here, click on the edit component, and change our style, turn it to black. Yeah. Then go back to our content all over again. Scroll down and just take this away. Take the Google place away, take this away, because lots of time as a startup, you're not going to be operating from a physical office. So we'll just go ahead and paste the link we copied from the other part, from the Google Doc, and replace this with our Twitter handle, replace this with our Facebook handle, You can add more handle if you want to. You can add more handle. You could be email, then replace this with our email. NOCODE45.com. So this is our link, NOCODE45.com. If you're looking forward to building mobile applications, of course, you can reach out to us and we'll definitely do well to build it for you. It's NOCODE45.com. You can reach out to us like so. So that's how we will do this. Hi, so welcome back. Congratulations that you've watched this video to this stage. So we're just going to be working on that navigation button right now. If we click on edit navigation and scroll down, we can see all the nav. Right here on the left hand section of our page, we can see our logo, and this is the logo. You can always remove it, delete it, and put something else that you want. And also you can add your site test if you want to. If you want to use that as a logo, as a startup, don't expect you to spend so much money on a lot of stuff. And also you can take all these away, like features, navigation link, if you don't want it to be there. And also we have a button right here like so that says get it. Get it goes to a sign up page. Yeah, it goes to a sign up page, but it doesn't have to. It doesn't have to go to a sign up page. It could be join wait list, the same test that we have here, and the join waitlist will then link up to a page called waitlist. If we just link up to a page like so, it will link up to a page like so. So if we go back to our page, we can see learn more and join waitlist. But for when you're building a page like this, you want to ensure that people have few navigations, little or no navigation away from your page, except they are very relevant. But also we can minimize this and allow people to see a form instead of a join waitlist. So for the form, we can just go back here and say join waitlist, because this is the primary goal of the page, for them to join our waitlist, the primary goal. Yeah, so once we do that, we can you can see people can add their emails. They can add their emails and they can click on the join waitlist to do whatever they want to do with their page. So once you're done with that, click on the save, and your website is completed. Let's just go, we'll hit the publish button and see our website retime. So now that you're all set, we have the header, we have the hero section, we have all the sections. It's time for you to publish your page. So you click on the publish page right here like so. And you can see your current plan only allow you to have one published page. Upgrade to break the limit. So I have another page already, so I can't. But if it's you'll definitely be able to click publish page and your page will be live, and you can share it with your friends and you can share with other people. But mind you, it's still gonna have this like so. It's still gonna be like this. Ewere.unicorn.page. That's what it's going to be. But to eliminate this, to make it like, hey, ewere.com, to make it like so, you would have to upgrade to another plan. So if you want to do so, you can click on the link below this course to upgrade. And you can see, we can also, check out the settings and, upgrade. To upgrade is pretty simple. Click on the upgrade to unlock, scroll down, scroll down and just choose a plan. Scroll down and choose a plan and choose if it's going to be yearly or monthly. You can say I want it to be monthly like so, and you can see all the benefits. Choose the one that suits you and you'll be able to upgrade immediately. So that's it. After this, just going to give you some pattern advice on what you should do next, and will be awesome. Thank you. So that's it. That's how easy it is for you to create landing pages with Unipolcom Platform. And it's super easy. I'm pretty sure you can see it's super straightforward. There is no code or whatsoever, and it's just great that you can do something like this in record time. So just go ahead and keep adding to your page if you want to. You can create new pages by clicking on the button right here. You can create new blog posts. So in another tutorial I'm going to be releasing after now, I will show you how to create a full-blown website using Unipolcom. So this is just majorly a landing page, but I'm going to show you how you can do a whole lot more. You can achieve a whole lot more using the Unipolcom app builder. Thank you very much for watching. If you check out my profile for all the courses that I've created, and you can always reach out to me on Twitter if you have questions at Paul_Okoduwa. You can always leave me a mail. There's a I'm pretty sure I'll leave a place for you to drop a mail if you want to. And if you have questions, leave it in the comment section also, and I'll definitely do well to answer you. Thank you so much for watching once again. Have a beautiful work week ahead. I hope your startup be awesome, be prosperous. Thank you very much for watching.